Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram login error. Please wait a few minutes before you try again. So guys, when you have login your Instagram account on your iPhone or on your iPad and facing this type of issue again and again, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to open your settings and check your internet connection. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. If you have connected with weak Wi-Fi, you have to change your network. And guys, if you are using mobile data, make sure that you have selected 4G or 5G network on your device. And after doing this, you have to go back and scroll it below, click on general. And guys, you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any kind of VPN here, simply you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back, and guys, now you have to reset your network settings. So guys, maybe there is network problem on your iPhone, so when you have reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. And after this, you have to change your date and time on automatically. And guys, now you have to go back, and guys, simply you have to open your app store here. And guys, after opening your app store here, you need to search Instagram. So guys, after searching Instagram, you have to open your app and you need to update your app if not updated. And after doing this, you have to go back. So guys, now you have to open your settings again. Click on general, click on iPhone storage. And guys, after this, you have to wait and scroll it down. From here, you need to find Instagram. Click on your Instagram and offload your app. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again. And guys, log in again. After this, your problem will be fixed completely. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.